Imagine writing code, fixing bugs, explaining code, and generating functions automatically inside VS Code without switching to ChatGPT or any other website or AI model. Today, I will show you a powerful VS Code extension called Kilo Code that can help you code faster using AI. So, we are going to explore Kilo Code VS Code extension, which is an AI coding assistant inside VS Code. We will install it and connect it the models, and we will generate code and create a project and also fix bugs using this AI extension. So let's move to the VS Code editor. This is VS Code editor. So here, first of all, you need to open a folder, empty folder. Come here to the file and open a folder and select your folder. Like my one, come here to the Kilo Code extension, this one. Open this. After opening the folder, now come here to the extension section. Look at the extension. Here we will search for Kilo Code. Let's search for Kilo Code. So you will see the Kilo Code extension. So look at this is Kilo Code AI coding extension. Okay, look at this is verified and it has around 900k downloads. So let's press the install button to install this extension. Let's wait until it install this extension. Then we will explore and use it to build a project also. So the extension has been installed. Now we will use it. Let's close this and also come here. Look at here. You will see the icon, the symbol of Kilo Code. Let's press this and it will open the Kilo Code extension for us. You can just move it to the right side or somewhere else. For simply click here and move to like secondary sidebar or panel, wherever you want. So you can move that. For example, let's this and it will come here to the right side like this. Let's minimize it. So that's it. So it says free models start coding immediately, premium models. So it means that it has free models and premium models. Okay, you can use the paid models and free models. So we will focus on free models to use them for free. Or you can use the API keys like OpenAI or any other AI key and integrate with that. So simply let's click on free models. So after pressing here, like let's it says create a financial app mark. It says just two ideas. You can, for example, just these are the ideas. For example, create a financial app for us, or making a spinning glowing 3D speed that responds the most moment like this something. Okay, or you can just write your own idea, whatever you want to build. So simply come here and here you can see press this and you will see here different options like architect for planning and designing, coding for to code, refactor and modify, ask to just ask and get answers, and debug to debug your code, architecture and orchestrator to just parallelly run the code, and review to review your code. So we will click the architect. It means for the first time we will just plan our project, then we will implement that. Let's ask from this, let's build a news website using React.js or HTML, whatever you focus on that. So I will just use, you can just whatever technology you mention, so it will build using that technology, but I will make a simple using HTML and CSS. So now it will provide you, it give you the here, let's okay, yeah, here important step like here down you will see minimax. Right now the model minimax is selected, which is a free model, but there are other models are also like RCAI, Nvidia and Grok Code Fast One Free, Anthropic. These are the models which needs the API key, but the free models are mentioned. Okay, just come here, like here you will see free, like these are the free models. So we will use the GLM. Let's find that where is GLM. I will just like GLM 45. There was a free model. This is Minimax. Oh, simply let's search that. So these are, I think, paid, but let's focus on free models. Kilo Auto free, Xiaomi Mimo 2. This is also a good model that we can use. Let's select this one. Okay, a very good model. So let's now press it, so it will generate a plan for us. Then we will implement it using this model. So it asked a question, what type of news website would you like to build? For example, like CNN, BBC, or TechCrunch. Which type? Sport news website, entertainment life site. For example, let's mention sports news website or tech news website. Let's click this one. So it will ask another question, homepage with features, articles, latest news and categories, article detail page with full content, category pages, and all of the above, which, for example, all of the above should be included in this website. It means that how separated pages like per categories and the homepage and everything should be included inside that. It will just make a plan for us. Again, what design style do you prefer for your tech news website? So modern and clean, like the words, professional and corporate, minimal and dark theme with accent color. For example, modern and clean, this one. Yeah, so it is preparing its plan. So after creating the plan, it will direct automatically convert to the code mode. Look at it has been moved to the code mode and it will now generate the code. Look at it says kilo set. Now I am in code mode and can create HTML and CSS files. Let me start by creating the home page for your tech news website. Okay, so it is in, yeah, that is making. Look at the home page has been created like this. This is the home page which has been created. So it will create all the pages, the CSS files to build this tech news website. The CSS file has been created. Look at the styles. These are the styles. A large file of CSS. So later we will see the result also. Let's complete the setup. Now let me create the article detail page. Yeah, just let's wait until the end. So everything has been completed. So look at, these are the files which has been created and everything. Now let's run it and see how it looks like. Simply let's right click on this website and reveal in file explorer. So after that, let's move here and we will run this index.html. So look at, this is our tech news website. It looks like this. So let's move to these web pages. Look at, this is AI page, mobile, software, hardware and startup. It means just home and AI are made. So let's first of all we will tell to this AI that add images from Google. Okay, so add some images also. So let's simply come here and we will ask here, add images from Google to the website. So looks real and good. Simply ask and it will now add the images from Google to our website. Let's wait for the completion of this task. And also for this model to use, we have 1 million tokens okay to use. Right now 37k has been used and we have 1 million to use. We can switch from this memo, Xiaomi memo, to other models also. There are lots of free models that we can use. The image has been added to our website. Now let's refresh it once again. Let's press this refresh button. So we will refresh and see how it looks like. Look at to the images which has been added, like the AI image. Look at these images. Let's, for example, press this first link. Yeah, read full story. So it will open that article and we can see the full article and read the full article like this. Subscribe, cancel it, AI. So here you will see the images. Mobile, now the mobile category is also working. Software, for the software, the same article is written, but the website we has made and it looks like this. A very beautiful design which has been made just in a few seconds, a few minutes. This is the power of AI to use. Mobile software, these are the category which has been selected. For example, this article or mobile, different articles. And these are like browse by categories, artificial intelligence. These are related to artificial intelligence. So come here back. Now you can use, okay, this extension, the kilo code extension. You can select model, you can select here with task. For example, you want architect, planning, coding, asking, debugging, orchestrator, review, whatever you want. So you can do that. Simply write and it will do that task for you in seconds. So this is the power of AI and kilo code extension in VS Code to use it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.